It's that time of year when we all want to get warm and cosy, so I'm showing you what I do to get my Optimyst fire ready for autumn. For safety reasons, don't plug in and switch on your fire until you've finished cleaning it. First, I'm giving the outside of the fire a good dust. I am also using the brush attachment on my vacuum cleaner to clean any dust off the heater. Next, I'm giving the inside of the fire a wipe with a damp soft cloth. Sometimes the door can get some condensation on it, so I'm rubbing some neat washing up liquid on the door. At the end of the spring, when I stopped using the fire, I cleaned all the parts really well, so this is your cue to get yours clean. I gave everything a wipe and checked all the parts. Here I am checking the transducer, particularly the white transducer disc at the top for any black spots. This is a sign of mineral deposits and can stop your fire working. Give it a clean, but you may need to consider replacing the transducer disc. I recently shared a video on how to change the disc. It's very simple and you can definitely do this yourself. I have shared a link to that video in the description box below. I have recently started working with a local family-run company called Electricspares. They are a national company and sell genuine Dimplex parts. They are also incredibly knowledgeable about Optimyst fires. When I met them, they emphasised to me the importance of using genuine replacement parts in your fire. You can check whether your transducer is genuine by looking at the underside. You should see the code M011B if it's genuine, and if not, I would suggest replacing it. Next, clean and replace the water tank assembly and replace the transducer, making sure the transducer wire is well out of the way of the transducer disc, so it is tucked in to the side of the assembly tray. It is vitally important to use filtered water in your water tank, so fill it up and screw the lid on, making sure the spring button is working properly and springing back when you press on it. Lastly, pop the fuel bed back on, plug in your fire and switch it on. As a first step, switch the heater on to high for a couple of minutes. It helps to burn off any residual dust and warms up your fire, which also helps to stop condensation forming on the glass door. I am also just checking the remote control is working. You can easily replace the button cell battery at the back if it's not working well. Once you've set your fire going, if you find that your mist is not working well, I have shared a troubleshooting video, as well as videos on how to replace the transducer and the fan. I mentioned earlier the importance of using genuine parts. One of the risks of using non-genuine parts, particularly the transducer, is that it can affect the current to the PCB, the main circuit board, and damage it. If you find that you are having problems with your fire and you need replacement parts, you can contact Electricspares. They can also give you technical support and advice, and they offer a repair service which is UK-wide. I have included a link in the description box to Electricspares. This includes a link to their website and a link to the Dimplex Optimyst spares area where you can order replacement parts if you need them. That's it, my Optimyst is all up and running again. I love the look of the realistic flames. It looks so warm and cosy. Thank you all so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye.